everyone, I hope you're all really well. I thought I would vlog today because I haven't vlogged in a little while. I wasn't planning on it, but then I realised that next week's video, Sunday's video, is my March favourites, and so many of you commented saying you missed my vlog, so I thought I'd put up a little bonus midweek vlog. I'm actually not doing anything that interesting today, but I thought we could just get ready together and chat and catch up. I'm just gonna start doing my makeup and putting on a tiny bit of the Smashbox primerizer. I'm just putting a little bit on, mainly for hydration, because I'm actually gonna be using the new Charlotte Tilbury primer today, which I've tried out a couple of times. I didn't think that I would like it, but I kind of do. It's the Hollywood Flawless filter, and it's a really weird concept because it's coloured, but it's not really a foundation. I think it's just meant to give a little bit of coverage. I don't think there are that many shades, which is a shame, but it does kind of sheer out, so I feel like you can use a shade that isn't your shade and it would work anyway. It's got this massive doe foot applicator, which I love the concept, but you don't really get much product when you use it. It's like a little bit frustrating to use, but I put a little bit on my face like that, and then when I rub it in, you can see it's like the most glowy primer. It really leaves like a really lovely glow. Apparently you can like put it under your makeup or over your makeup, just use it as like a highlighter in parts of your face. You can mix it. There's quite a few different ways to use it. I like it. It really makes my skin look very glowy. There seems to be quite a mix of opinions on, yay, more videos not about the book, and then people being like, I can't believe you've stopped talking about the book already. So just to let you know, I haven't stopped talking about the book. I'm just giving you guys a little bit of a break because I went really hard. Like normally on publication week, you just go really hard and like talk about the book on the lead up to publication week. So I feel like I had 2-3 weeks of just only talking about the book. So for your guys' sake, and also for mine, because I want to do other stuff as well, I'm just kind of getting back into normal videos, but I'm still reading all of your comments about the book. If you follow me on Twitter and Instagram, you'll see I'm like sharing, retweeting, and all of that good stuff. So just doing some normal videos for now, really. I am using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I just looked at my drawer thinking like, what should I use? And I haven't used this for ages. I'm just gonna use a little bit because it's quite a heavy foundation. Well, it's not heavy, but it's more medium coverage. I am actually out for quite a long time today. I've got a meeting at 3 o'clock at the Ned, which is a funny place. I think it's like a members only club. It's a bit like Soho House, but for bankers. It's like in bank and it's like much more smart. It's very fancy. I've got a meeting there, and then I'm gonna go work from Gleam afterwards because tonight I'm going out for dinner for my sister's birthday. It's her birthday today. It's her 40th, which is crazy to think my parents have a 40-year-old child. She's 10 years older than me, so whenever we reach like milestone birthdays, like my 20th was her 30th and etc. So yeah, 40th is a big one. We're all going out for dinner tonight. We're going to a place called Itchy Buns on Wardour Street. I haven't really heard about it. I think Rich might have recommended it, so I hope it's good. My lips are a little bit sore today, as you can see. This lip balm, the La Roche-Posay one, has massively been helping in terms of keeping them moisturised, and it doesn't burn when I use it. It's the Cisoplast one, but obviously it's not going to completely fix my lips. I wasn't expecting it to do that. They get particularly bad when I'm stressed or making decisions, which I'm doing a lot at the moment because of the house. Sometimes I like chew on my lips, which obviously makes them worse. It's a really bad habit. Okay, I'm just going to work this foundation in. What else have I got to chat to you about? Thinking about getting a new tattoo, and I'm very excited about it. I'm potentially booking in a day today. I didn't think that I'd want any more for quite a while. To be fair, I haven't had a new one since, it's probably been 2 or 3 years. I need to check back my videos. The last one I got were these arrows, which I got, can you see them there? The day after my friend SJ's hen. And she's been married for a few years now, so it must have been a while ago. And I thought, I don't need any more. I don't know what I want. I don't know where I want it. And then Susie from Hello October introduced me to her tattoo artist, who's called G, or Georgina. I don't know what she likes to be called. I haven't actually met her yet. And I just love everything she does. I love her style of tattooing so much that I would literally get anything, like, as long as she does it. They're so beautiful, but I really, really love the flowers that she does. So I think I'm gonna get some flowers. I'm not sure. I've been like kind of drawing it on my arm to have a think about it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. I'm just gonna put some concealer on. Really loving this actually. It's from Bare Minerals. It's called Bare Pro. This is in Fair Light Neutral. Really lovely, creamy. This is actually, I haven't actually looked at the prices, but I'm sure this is cheaper than By Terry. So if it is, it's a really good dupe for the By Terry because it's quite similar. It's a great like handbag concealer as well. Yeah, so if that tattoo happens, that is very exciting because I love getting new tattoos and I just love her style of tattooing, like really lovely thin lines. If that happens, I will definitely vlog it. I've been going back to the NARS Laguna bronzer at the moment. I've got this NARS palette, it's got a few things in it. This is the Laguna bronzer. I've gone back to this because my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula is a little bit too dark, I think. I always tend to like over apply it. I am potentially looking for a new bronzer, so if you guys have any favourites, let me know, because that's one thing I'm never like sure of what I'm using every day, but Laguna's a really like classic one. And then I've also been using this from Bobbi Brown, which is their, I think this is a limited edition, pretty powerful pot rouge. It's like a cream blusher. I like using this because it makes my cheeks look really hydrated, and then I could also just pop it in my handbag if I need to, if I'm like going out tonight and my blusher disappears. I've been loving Instagram again recently. I've really got back into it. There was a time where I was like, oh my god, I've got nothing to post ever, but suddenly I feel like I'm enjoying it again. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, my username is just Lily Pebbles. I always say that, just Lily Pebbles. It's not just Lily Pebbles, it's at Lily Pebbles. Also, I recently received the new NARS highlighters and I've written a blog post about these. Although I really find it hard actually to review products in a blog post. I haven't done it for a while and I attempted to do it and I just realized it's really hard to like show it compared to video where you can actually show what it looks like. It's difficult. So actually I thought if I pop it in this video today, then if you read the blog post you can watch this video and see it in action, and that might make the blog post a little bit better. But if you want to read it in blog post form and see some photos of the products kind of close up and the range of colours, because there are loads of different shades, then I'll link the blog post down below. But this is Forte de France. I don't know why I'm doing highlighter now before I've done anything else, but I fancy it. They're really lovely highlighters. Definitely using the wrong blush here. What am I doing? This is the Morphe M501. Okay, I hope that you can see this. It's not too heavy. It's a really subtle, lovely highlight, which is why I like it. I think these are great for people who are a little bit scared of highlighters. They give a nice sheen without being too much. Really, really nice. Comes in loads of colours. Okay, let me go back to the order I normally do things. I'm going to do my eyebrows, just using my Benefit. I have this amazing mirror, Rumio. It's like seriously magnified, so I've been enjoying using this for my eyebrows. We're getting really close to starting the house renovation, which is really exciting. Lots of decisions to be made. Some things I find really easy, some things I find really difficult. Deciding on like bathroom tiles. I don't know, I'm finding it, as a control freak, I'm finding it stressful. Like, I want to be organised about everything, but I know that when it comes to it, like our builder said that with some things he'll just give us like a 2 weeks notice and then we have to get the whatever it is we need, and that really stresses me out because I want to make sure I'm getting the best or like exactly what we want. And I think I just need to let go of control of it because I think that's just doesn't happen. Trying to be as organised as possible with the things that are in my control, and everything else I think I just need to be quick at making decisions because that's how it works. I think the overall project's going to take about 12 weeks maybe. So 12 weeks of living at home with my parents. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette. I've been using this almost every day. I've been using the shade Hot Spell, which is this one here. For those of you wondering why we are moving back in with my parents, it makes the building work faster because they don't have to tidy up every day. And because we're having our electrics redone and they have to like rip up the floors, it's just so hard with furniture and with us here, and it's going to be absolutely dusty and awful. Everyone I've spoken to who's had their house done up said that if they had someone to stay with, they would have. So we are taking the opportunity to stay in my parents' spare bedroom. I think it will be a little bit difficult to work and stuff because I won't have my usual setup and my usual things around me, but it's just for a short period of time, so I will absolutely make it work, and it'll be so exciting to get the house done. That was just a really nice warm eyeshadow, and I think that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to go too heavy. I'm just going to add some eyeliner. For mascara, I think I'm going to use the new Benefit mascara, which I've heard some really mixed reviews about. Some people say that it kind of falls all over their face, but that never tends to happen with me with mascaras, so I'm probably a really bad example of that. I have like dry eyes, so I definitely have no like grease or oil around there. It's the Bad Gal Bang mascara. This is the one that there was a lot of coverage about. I quite like it. It's like a plastic small brush. It definitely kind of makes the lashes longer and very separated. I mean, I think no mascara is worth that amount of hype, but it's a nice mascara. I like it. I wear it. It's a little bit clumpy compared to others. I don't personally mind that. I just think if you're used to waterproof mascaras, this won't be for you. But if your lashes are pretty easy like mine, then it gives nice lashes. Okay, now I'm going to do my hair. So many of you commented on my hair in my last video. I realised once I was editing that my hair looked ridiculous because I had it half up, but because I was just facing forward, you couldn't see that it was half up. I hate that about videos, that you can only see what you can see. You can't like see the back of my head or whatever. So because it was half up but you couldn't see it, everyone was literally like, where has half of your hair gone? It looks so flat and limp and awful. And yeah, it did, but definitely not worth refilming for because it's just hair. So it was a bit annoying. I was like, I look ridiculous, but it's fine. It should have been more what I was talking about than what I look like. Plugging in my straighteners. These pink GHDs are so old and ratty, and I have new ones. I have the really nice new ones, which look like this, but I find that they're just never as good as my like original GHDs. They've changed the shape. Let me see if I can show you this. So you see, I mean, these are so gross, but you see how these are really flat on the edges? The new ones are much more rounded, and I find that they don't grip together as much, which for someone who has curly hair and really needs it to be straightened well, I find that it takes much longer. So it's a little bit frustrating. I'm keeping these new ones in case mine ever like blow up or anything, but I just can't not use the original ones. They're the best. So I started and forgot to show you guys because I was watching Alana's video. So I've just done one. What I've done is I've tied half my hair up now that it's straight. I take about that much hair, clamp it about halfway through, twist it back quite tight, and then slowly pull it down. And that is how I get my waves. I'm just gonna sit down here and do some work this morning. I've got a few kind of personal admin-y stuff to do, and I want to email the girl about the tattoo, and then I've got a blog post to schedule and quite a few little random bits to do. I'm gonna eat my breakfast, peanut butter, cup of tea, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I'm currently trying to find a photo and I'm in hard drive hell. Anna's just messaged me. She's like, I miss you. She's been away in Vietnam for a week. So she's like, are you free now? We need to talk. This always happens when one of us goes away. When we get back, we have to have like an hour conversation on the phone. So yeah, maybe this morning won't be as productive as I thought it would be. I just chatted to Anna for 45 minutes. It was really nice to catch up with her though. She had a really nice time, which I'm very happy about. I think I'm gonna see her Wednesday. We're meeting about the podcast. I'm so excited. I really enjoyed doing season 1 of our podcast, so can't wait to do season 2. Now I need to post an Instagram. So I've just been doing some emails, talking to my friend Jay about the blog redesign, and now I need to post my second Dulux Instagram. So part of the work I did with Dulux, I did the video that you guys saw, and I did an Instagram and some stories, and now like a couple of weeks after the video, I'm gonna do another Instagram. So this has all been like I took the photo, done the caption. When you work with brands, you kind of agree the caption together, and I've got it in my Mosaico app. So I can just click on the photo and press post now, and it will take me to Instagram, and then I can just like paste the caption and it's done. It's really nice to be kind of organized like that with Instagrams. So I'm gonna post that now. It's this kind of photo of me in the room, if you can see, which I really like. Rich took that photo. And then I've got to finish doing my emails. I've got loads of emails that I didn't get to on Friday because I was doing other stuff, so I need to catch up with that. Today's lunch is Heinz tomato soup, which is what I always eat when I don't know what to eat, because we always seem to have these in the house. It's really probably the least exciting lunch ever, but it's quick. Also, I always have these. They are croutons. You can get them from most supermarkets, I think. But they're like tiny croutons. We always had these growing up. I'll show you when I put them in the soup, but they make it crunchy and they are so good. Okay, look at these croutons. I go a bit wild, warning. They are so yum. Okay, I am gonna head into town. I've just changed my top to this kind of pink, sparkly top. It's hand wash only, so I haven't worn it for ages because it got dirty, and Rich very kindly washed it for me. He is the best. So I'm wearing it. It's kind of a different shape to jumpers I normally wear. It's a bit tighter, so I feel very boobyish in it. I kind of like the colour and I fancy a change. I'm just gonna see if these boots go with the outfit. And then I'm gonna head to the Ned, that rhymes. These shoes are very old, but they were Topshop, and I feel like they always do shoes like this. They were the ones that you just buy on the hanger, but they're so comfortable and I always get compliments on them. So I would say they're one of my best purchases really, because they were not expensive. Okay, I've been to the Ned. Sorry I didn't vlog, but it wasn't really appropriate, but I had a really good meeting. Had a virgin pina colada and it was glorious. I felt like I was on holiday. Got myself some Leon fries because that tomato soup did not fill me up as suspected. Now I'm gonna head into Gleam. I'm gonna do some work there this afternoon before going out for my sister's birthday. This jumper makes me look like I'm not wearing anything. I literally look naked in the camera right now. Everyone's kind of going home in the office, but my dinner isn't till 7:30, so I'm just going through my PO box. I thought I'd show you guys a few bits. These are from Makeup Forever. This is a liquid highlighter, and these are skin blurring tints. That one looks like it'll be my shade, so I'm going to try those two. This is Aroma Cleanse Bi-Phase Cleanser and Makeup Remover from Declure, and it looks really good. It says it's suitable for sensitive skin and stuff, so I'm going to give that a go. Okay, I was the last one at Gleam. I had to leave so they could actually lock up, but I'm walking over to Soho. We're going to Itchy Buns. I think that's what it's called. Sounds a bit dodgy. I think it's Japanese. I'm going to go meet my sisters and everyone else is coming. And we're matching. We look like idiots, we're both in pink.
Not glittery pink.
Terrible. Finished dinner. Yummy. Good recommendation.
Yep.
I had sushi. They do like burgers, like Asian burgers and all yummy stuff. Yeah, I'm really full.
A bit salty, I need water.
Yeah, I know. We're all very thirsty. Okay, we are going to head to the tube and go home. I'm going to finish my vlog here. I hope you guys liked the midweek bonus video. Don't remember what I even did today. Yeah, bonus special. I'll see you on Sunday for my March favourites. Oh my god, Rich, everyone wanted to know your thought of the day.
Oh no, don't put me on the spot. I don't have one.
Come on, anything. Anything? Any random thought you had in the kitchen at work?
I just thought, why is there a Pizza Express in the middle of Chinatown?
That's Rich's thought of the day. Why is there a Pizza Express in the middle of Chinatown? We all want to know, Rich.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.